Hey, what is going on YouTube? This is Robert, and today I am bringing to a very brief, possibly boring unboxing for what you can see behind, because obviously I didn't really order a lot for my first week of the Supreme season, so yeah, it's pretty much here and we're just going to jump straight into this. But as per norm, let me know down below whether or not your item or items have arrived, whether you're going to be stocking, rocking or reselling them, or what you're going to be doing with them in general. And yeah, I know, it's actually really awkward. This is so boring, it really is. I prefer to have like 5 or 6 things, but we just don't. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so obviously, this is going to be extremely brief at the top, and this is obviously the main thing from Supreme. I just wanted to go on to something that's just arrived because I'm going to be using it soon, because I'm going to see a couple of friends who I haven't seen in 2 years, and yeah, basically I thought I could play football with them in a pair of Astros, because I've got a couple of pairs, you know, easy, quick. You need like specific things for it. So basically I went on to ProDirect. I went through everything as you do, like Adidas, Nike, you know, ProDirect, Sports Direct, a couple of different websites, and to be honest, across the board it was like, you know. But on ProDirect they had the exact same pair on Adidas, or as Adidas, and the funniest thing is that it was half the price for the exact same thing, which I find quite dumb. Like, how do you expect people to actually like buy from you or pay for a product from you if the price is better elsewhere for less? So yeah, it's just a pair of Speed Portal X Speed Portal 0.3s, nothing insane. I don't know whether they'll help me with football because I haven't played it consistently in a number of years, but yeah, that's them. So let's move on to the main aspect for this, which is just going to be this, which is going to be the prayer candle. The one thing, it might be damaged. I'm sure it'll be fine, to be perfectly honest. Never cut towards you, as always. But yeah, I don't really have anything else to say, to be honest. I just thought that I wanted something to be able to upload in the end and to be able to cover and go over. And yeah, so we've got a couple of stickers here. I don't see the free gift, funnily enough. Well, probably not funnily enough, actually. I don't see the free gift. So I did not get the free gift with my order. So that is what it is at the end of the day. It doesn't really matter. This is obviously going to be the main focal or focus. So 3 stickers, being the Sean Cliver, obviously, as what is depicted, which is there. I've completely forgotten the name. But yeah, there is the next one, and then we've just got a standard box logo sticker, which, to be honest, I don't even have that many of now. So here's the box, obviously, for it. On the back it just says candle, indoor use, and then it has that in different languages, obviously. Shelf life is 3 years, burn time is 82 hours, and yeah, you've got the barcode as well. So there's that. But without further ado, let's open it up. Packaged so much safer than some other things I've received as of late, and it's got some weird coating on the outside. But anyway, yeah, it's as plain as simple, to be honest, as could be. It's got a lot of wax on the outside too, but yeah, this is how it looks up close. I don't know if it's like kind of to be expected or as was expected, but I mean, it's okay. I mean, it's just a candle at the end of the day. I really spent £30 on a candle. But yeah, that's basically it. There's nothing really crazy or special to do. If the time is only 82 hours, do I really want to light it anytime soon? I don't know why it's got like a peel at the bottom, actually, with this, just for like medical instructions and to keep away from kids. And if medical attention is required, please present this and the label. So I should keep that on there, Robert. Don't take that off. That's stupid to take off. But yeah, that is going to cover this unboxing, basically. So, like I said, let me know down below what maybe stickers you got, whether or not, you know, you actually got the free gift. And that's going to cover it from me. There are some slight discrepancies to the, there's a fly, to what's printed. There are a couple of like little nicks to it, but at the end of the day, what do you expect, realistically? The one thing that does stand out actually as an overall is that the eyes are really quite a lot brighter, and it's the only shade of actual like white like that that's actually used across the whole imagery is going to be for the eyes. So that's why they stand out so much and why they're almost like just ever present. But yeah, that's it. So thank you for watching. I hope that you have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you all next time. Well, for next week, which we're hoping for the Ramsey dunks, but we'll have to see. But yeah, I'll see you all next time. I just realised this is a back-to-back unboxing uploads, but anyway, yeah, I'll see you all next time. Peace.